Everyone has heard the saying, it takes a village. Most of the time, it's in relation to raising a child. But as a cancer survivor, I can say with certainty that it also applies to battling the devastating disease. That is why it is so important to surround yourself with a team of great doctors and a strong support system. And I would like to welcome patient navigator with OhioHealth, Mary Zapanik, who's going to tell us all about a great opportunity to do just that. So thanks for being here, Mary.
Thank you.
So OhioHealth, they have this community cancer conference coming up. Tell me what it is all about.
Well, on Saturday, June 11th, starting at 8 in the morning and ending at 3 in the afternoon, we're having kind of a first of its kind conference where we're bringing together the community and healthcare professionals to talk about various aspects of cancer and cancer care and cancer survivorship. And we're doing that in conjunction with MD Anderson Cancer Center, which is one of the leading cancer centers in the nation. So we're really excited about it.
And why do this? It's a one-of-a-kind thing, like you mentioned, the first time we've had it. So why do you think now is the time?
Well, I think we're really trying to reduce the number of cancer deaths as quickly as we possibly can. And in order to do that, we have to have everybody working together. And I think traditionally, healthcare professionals and institutions have worked kind of in isolation from the community in some ways, especially when it comes to cancer care. And I think we just want to bring everybody together in the same place on the same day, partly to learn and support each other, but also to celebrate all the people who have survived cancer.
Sure. All right. And Mary, what does the day look like? Because there's a lot in store. It's a packed day.
There's a lot going on. So in the morning, the community attendees will get to hear a presentation from one of our physicians who's also a cancer survivor, and I've heard her speak, and she is inspirational. And then they'll have a choice between 6 different breakout sessions. They'll be able to select 2 that really address a lot of the issues of either being a cancer patient or a caregiver or a survivor. And then at lunch we all come together, and we're excited to let everybody know that Joan London will be our guest speaker.
Amazing.
And you know, she is a cancer survivor herself and formerly the host of Good Morning America. And she's just also an excellent inspiration for all of us. And then in the afternoon, and then we'll have lunch. And then in the afternoon, we have a speaker from MD Anderson, more than one actually, a couple of speakers from MD Anderson coming to talk about their Moonshot program, which you may have heard about in the news. And again, that's with the goal of reducing cancer deaths as quickly as we possibly can.
Right, that is the goal with all of this.
That's right.
Obviously. So we've got these breakout sessions coming up. I'm going to mention a few of them, and then you're going to talk about the one that you're leading. So we've got Finding Your New Normal, Caring for the Caregivers, navigating financial resources and planning for cancer. All of these really important when you're going through the journey, and you'll realize that if you've ever been through it, that all of these have a place in your journey. Symptom management, prevention, screening, wellness and genetics, and then maintaining relationships and intimacy with cancer. So you'll have a choice, you said, of going to any 2 of these.
Any 2 of those, yes.
Okay, and you are leading the Caring for the Caregivers.
Yes.
Talk to me a little about that.
Well, I have a lot of professional experience with being a caregiver, having been a nurse for 45 years. And so, but I also have some personal experience with it too. And so what we want to do is help people understand that when your family member or a friend is diagnosed with cancer, everybody gets a new job description.
Sure.
And so overnight, you need to be an actor, because you need to be able to appear to be calm in the face of a lot of fear and anxiety. You have to be a financial wizard because you have to figure out insurance coverage and hospital billing and so forth. You have to be an excellent communicator, but you have to do it in a language you've never spoken before.
Sure.
And so there are a lot of new roles and responsibilities, not only for the patient, but for the caregiver as well. And 37% of individuals who are the primary caregiver for a cancer patient are working full-time. And so it's really hard for them to keep a reasonable balance in their lives when they become the caregiver.
All right, Mary, I'm going to put the information up for how people can register. There is a website you go to. It's been scrolling up on screen, ohiohealth.com/United We Fight Cancer. $10. Parking is free.
Right.
Simple, small cost to go for this amazing opportunity. You want to register by June 1st. Again, the event is June 11th.
Yeah,
So, Mary,
we're
thank
excited.
you so much.
Thank you.